Guys, a bit of an exciting day today. In April, I ordered a brand new Porsche Taycan fully electric car. So anybody that knows anything about cars will know about this car. That's the first thing. And the second thing is, if you know about the struggles that car dealers, manufacturers, etc. have been having over the pandemic in trying to, or even post-pandemic, in trying to produce cars because of the global component shortage, we'll also know that the wait, which is pretty much nearly 7 months for me, is nearly over. So I'm going to be making a few videos to share my experience with you. I'm also going to be making a few videos to do with this car, and I know there are already a ton of videos out there that talk about the Porsche Taycan, but they're all about specs and, you know, how fast it goes and all the rest of it, and that's all a given and it's been done to death. But as a real world owner, not somebody that's going to go and pick one up to borrow for a couple of hours, as a real world owner, I want to take you through the good, bad and ugly as I uncover it myself. So stay tuned, guys. This is the first video. I'm off to the Porsche dealership to have a look at my car because it's and there's my daughter. I'm off to the Porsche dealership right now to take a look at my car for the first time. It's not quite ready to pick up yet, but it's still pretty exciting. So stay tuned, guys. The videos are going to be good, going to be informative. This is just the first one and my first look and impression of what I've bought. It's a bit like buying a sofa from like DFS. You order it, 15 weeks later it turns up and you've forgotten what you've ordered. So I'm really keen to go and remind myself of what I've ordered. So stick around, guys. The first video coming right up.
And you never said a word. No, in 2 hours you now said it all. You know we don't wanna fall in love again. Oh no, just think about what we did. It never worked, no. Tonight I can tell that you don't care. You always know how to get me sentimental. You always say the right things, like you're pushing me away, then you pull me back in. Like I'm your lady, but then you just stop trying. You push away, then when I go all in, like you afraid of what might happen if you're trying. I'm already done with these games.
So guys, been at the Porsche dealership for probably about 2 hours. Had a good walk through the car, good look around it. All I can say is it's pretty awesome. Looking forward to picking it up. So today it's Saturday and I'm going to be picking it up on Wednesday. So literally just 4 days to go. And I wasn't really excited, but now I am. Now I know it's a reality. This car has arrived. It's ready to go almost. And yes, I'm looking forward to coming back with a few videos. Like I said, I'm going to show you what day-to-day living is like with the Porsche Taycan. So guys, thanks ever so much for watching. If you've got any comments or questions about the Porsche Taycan, please leave them in the comments section below. Until the next video, guys, I'm Dave with Scenes Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.